Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. That was weird. Anyways, what's up? My name is Jessica. I am a mother as well as a makeup lover. Of course, mommy of 3 here. I'm no longer apologizing for the loud noise in my videos. So just take this as a fair warning. Shit's loud. I'm loud. My kids are loud. We love that here. We don't. It drives me nuts. I'm going insane. So, for today's video, as you guys have seen by the title, I'm going to be taking the Beauty Bay Midnight Palette. I'm going to be doing a tutorial first impression, and of course you guys are seeing the swatches right now and the palette in all of its glory. Just look at her, purple and blues. Could we ask for anything beautiful? More beautifuler? Yeah. This palette is gonna need more than one video. I already know it. Because I'm just gonna be playing with the purples today just to get a really feel of like the more difficult shadows to formulate. I really wanted to play around with the purples first, but I will be doing more videos, so definitely stay tuned. Oh, they're laughing. Okay. Are they crying? Are they laughing? They're laughing. Okay. I will be definitely doing more videos with this eyeshadow palette. So just for now, I'm going to be doing this sexy midnight smoky eye with using the midnight palette. Look at me making stuff match. So yeah, I am going to be doing my eyes as well as my face makeup. I'm going to do my face makeup silently just because the eyes are so simple. I really didn't want to just do like have like a really short video. So I'm incorporating my face makeup just kind of make sure that this is a complete video, that the video is not going to be a 6-minute long review, you know what I mean? But of course we are going to be keeping our main focus and attention on the Beauty Bay Midnight Palette. But if you're curious to see how I achieved this full face of makeup, then please do keep on watching. So I'm going to start by taking the P.Louise Basic Bright in the shade Vivid Violet because I really want these colors to pop. So I'm just going to put a little bit on each eyelid right in the center. Super simple. I'm just going to take my finger and just tap it around. And then once it's like majority covering my lid, I'll wipe my finger off. And I'm going to start going at the edges. And then once it's a little faded, again, wipe my finger off. I'm actually going to go with a different finger just to kind of try to diffuse this a little bit. But I'm literally just using my finger to really soften these edges and really blend it out. This palette does have like cool tone purples, warm tone purples. So I had asked my husband, like, should I do cool tones or warm tones? He said cool tones. So I busted out my cool tone purple shirt. But I'm actually going to start by taking this purple right here in this corner, which is called Voodoo. Yeah, it's called Voodoo. So I'm just going to take this on a packing brush. And lots of kick up in the pan, which is just something to note, not a big deal. And I am just going to tap this down on my lid. We're starting off real quick, okay? So whenever I'm doing a smoky eye, I always like to keep it in like an oval shape to give myself room to blend on either side of my eyeshadow. So I'm literally just tapping and pulling down towards the center all around the edges, if that makes sense. Next, I'm actually going to take this shade right here, which is called 1993, which is beautiful color. So you're just going to take this on a Beauty Bay X Beauty by Bianca brush. So this one's, it's round and it's fluffy, so it's gonna be really nice because what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pack this shade down and then I'll go right into blending it out. I'm not worried about it being perfect. I'm just laying down my colors at this point. So now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Catch, which is just in the same row as the previous color. So now I'm going to take this on a more fluffy brush. This is a Makeup Shack T9 brush. And I'm going to do the same things. I'm going to start going over the edges of that second purple shade. And I'm just going to do little circle motions. So now I'm going to take an even fluffier brush. This is just a Elena Badrow brush. I'm not sure the name. I mean, like the number or anything. Like, that's all it says is the name of the brand. So I'm actually going to take this light purple, which is called Lilac, the perfect shade. Ooh, really kick up you with that fluffy brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and complete this blend.
I guess that's correct.
Okay, so now I'm going to go through all of my colors.
What's that?
What? It's my shirt. It's purple. Wow, dude. Thanks. So now I'm going to go through all my colors and properly blend them. So just on the same packing brush, I do want to deepen this before I go through all my colors again. So I'm just going to take the black, which is called Hex, and I'm just going to take a little amount on the same brush. And I'm going to kind of put this across my lower lash line and then start going up into that purple blend. There's fingerprints all over my little mirror in front of me. My kid's getting real handsy with my shit. And now I'll go through all my colors and make sure they're properly blended. So this is what it looks like all blended out. I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm actually going to take this purple shade right here, which is called Electric. It just looks like this. It's like the deepest purple. So I'm just taking this all over my finger and I'm just tapping it all over my lid. Yeah. So it's just like a very subtle difference between this side and this side. Like this one's pitch black and this one just has like that little bit of shifty shininess to it. So I really like that. So let's go ahead and move on to the face makeup. face makeup is done. This is what she looks like. So I don't like to use colored highlight in my like T-zones, like on my nose. I just use the Ofra Cosmetics X Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter. I really like that, like as far as like my nose contour goes. So purple here, white here. Okay, so I'm gonna take just a smidge of the black mixed in with the shade Voodoo, which is the first purple that I used. And I'm just gonna smudge this under my eye. I want to make sure that everything's blending together here in this outer corner. I'll dust that brush off, then I'll take shade 1993. Same thing. Under the eye, making sure it connects. Dust the brush off, shade Catch. I really want to take these lashes. These are the Blend Bunny Cosmetic Vice lashes, and these ones are in the style Wicked. I think that a smoky eye would be perfect for these type of really big dramatic lashes, because there's not really much to cover up. You're still gonna be able to see it, like it's a purple smoky eye, you know, it's not like covering up multiple cut creases and stuff like that. So I think these are gonna be the perfect lashes. These are the big daddies. I'm really excited. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish up this eye and apply these lashes, and then we can come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts and opinion on the Beauty Bay Midnight palette. Alright, so here is the completed look. These lashes are a whole statement, and I'm here for it, to be honest, because I mean, I could fly away with these bitches. Goddamn. These lashes are very large lashes, but they're so like lightweight on the eyes. And I know, like, I feel like these aren't very like beginner friendly lashes, but for me, they're like super lightweight on my eyes, even though they're like so big. They're still like very easy for me to like look past, if that makes sense. Like if you wear lashes, you know. Some lashes like feel heavy, you're kind of like, you feel like this. But these, like, they're very lightweight. Like, wow, girl. Now for my final thoughts and opinion on the Beauty Bay Midnight Eyeshadow Palette. So, I don't know if they still have the sale going on, but they had a bundle. Beauty Bay had a bundle with the Midnight palette as well as the Earthy palette. So that was the green palette that I'll leave like a little link if you haven't seen the tutorial that I did with the green eyeshadow palette. I did use just the purples today. I do want to do another video with just the blues, and then I also want to do a video incorporating both the purple and the blues together, because these are just a match made in heaven. Am I wrong? I've never been disappointed with Beauty Bay's shadow formula, and today was no different. I think purples are notoriously known for being hard to make. I think that these purples are very well formulated. I had zero problems blending. I think I got a beautiful gradient with no patchiness. Definitely stay tuned into the end for the up close, so you could really get a really good up close of my eyeshadow, and you could really see the true beauty of that shimmer that I applied to my lid. Yeah, I didn't have any issues. I actually am very pleasantly surprised with how much I enjoyed this eyeshadow palette. There's definitely a huge range of tones. There's cool tones, there's warm tones, and then there's all the light, medium, and dark colors and all in between. And then there's definitely a big array of like purple shimmers as well, which I really like that. I like that it's a big palette and that it incorporates literally everything that you could possibly need to make a blend. So I think this is going to be a yes for me. Definitely stay tuned for more tutorials that I'm going to be doing with this eyeshadow palette. You guys know me. I like to rotate through my eyeshadow palette collection. So she'll definitely be coming back up to the front. Okay, she's going to be in the front of the line. That is going to conclude today's video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.